Ahoy there shipmates, and welcome to another video brought to you by the 5 Minute Mariner. My name is Martin, and today we will be discussing Rule 5 of the International Regulations for the Prevention of Collision at Sea, which deals with maintaining a proper lookout. Even though Rule 5 is only one sentence long, it is widely taught as one of, if not the most important rule of them all, and is seemingly easy to understand. So why then is this rule cited more than any other as being the primary cause of collision and groundings at sea? Surely this rule is as simple as, when you're at sea, you need to have someone looking out the window so you don't hit anything. Well, this is both literally true, however there are also some implied responsibilities within this rule too. When you break the rule down, there are 5 key words and phrases which, although simple to understand, can prove very complex when applying them at sea. So let's start with the most obvious. The phrase "shall at all times" means just that, at all times. In other words, at no point should a vessel be underway without a proper lookout in place. Next is the term by sight and hearing. This means not only using your eyes to look for vessels, but also using binoculars to help with this endeavour, as well as using your ears to listen for sound signals. The term "by all means appropriate" means anything human, electronic, or natural that can stop you colliding with other vessels or from hitting the bottom and potentially running aground. This includes equipment such as your radar, the vessel's echo sounder, and any other device deemed appropriate. Prevailing circumstances and conditions include situations such as the time of day, weather conditions, the levels of tiredness, as well as levels of stress and any other factor deemed appropriate. Only by considering these and all other factors will you be able to make a full appraisal of your situation and determine whether your vessel is safe or not. Before we go, we would like to give a shout out to our friends at the IRPCS Group who have kindly sponsored this video. For maritime apps, publications and more, check out their website at www.thearpinegroup.com/products. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content.